Still skipping breakfast or eating junks in the morning? Let me show you a quick oats and egg recipe that is high in protein, ready in minutes, and perfect for weight loss and all day energy. If today is your first time here, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Kindly stay tuned. Let's make this delicious oatmeal together. Okay, the first thing we'll be needing to make this healthy recipe is our oats. Okay, I'll be measuring out about 3 to 4 cups of oatmeal. Okay, and the next ingredient is eggs. I'll be adding about 4 eggs to this is because I'm making it for a large family. If you are alone, you are making it for yourself alone, you can choose to use like 2 eggs to 1 cup of oats. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mix this together properly. You can also use the blended oats for this, but I prefer this unblended oats for this recipe. Mix it together very well. And the next ingredient is our liquid milk. You can use powdered milk for this recipe, you can use liquid milk, whichever one you have is just okay. Mix that together thoroughly and set aside. Here I'm going to be using carrots for this recipe. You can use any fruit or vegetable of your choice. You can use more than carrot to make this. Okay, I'll just go ahead and grate it. Now I'll go ahead and chop some of this onion and some pepper for I just need it to be a little hot. You can do without the pepper, okay, but if you like it hot, you can just add a little pepper to it. You can either use fresh pepper or grinded pepper. All right, like I said earlier, if today is your first time coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be seeing amazing recipes from this channel. Okay, to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I'm so grateful. Please remember to share this video to your family and friends. Okay, I'm done cutting all my veggies. The next thing I will do now is to mix this oats properly. I just need it to dissolve properly, especially when you are not using the grinded oats. Okay, I'm done mixing the oats. Now I'll go in with my natural spice. I actually mixed that spice by myself, so I just went in with salt. I'll go ahead and mix this together again before adding another one, and I know you don't want to miss out on this recipe. Kindly stay tuned. Okay, now I'll go in with 2 spoons of natural honey. You can use date in place of honey, or you can do without adding the honey and the date. I'm adding honey because of my children. I actually want them to enjoy this oatmeal. Okay, now I'll go in with the chopped onion and pepper and also give this a mix. Right now I'll go in with the grated carrot. Okay, you can use any food or vegetable of your choice. You can even add more than what I added here. You can customize this recipe to your own preference. All right, now I will give it a good mix. Okay. In a preheated pan, I will add all the oat mixture, then spread it properly and cover it to bake or to cook. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this recipe, because this recipe is just so delicious. I hope you understand. Okay. Cover it and allow it to bake on a low heat. Okay, after some minutes, this is what we have. Is doing very well. So right now I will flip it to the other side by putting a flat plate and turn it to the other side and return it to the pan. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Look at this. Isn't it looking delicious? I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please, I want to see your comments. I want to know if you are enjoying the video or if you are going to try out this recipe. And if you have already tried it out, let me know how it came out. I want your feedback. All right, so cover it again for another, just for few minutes, and you are good to go. It is ready. You can enjoy this with your tea alone, with juice, healthy juice and all of that. Your money is settled. As in, this recipe will boost your energy, will make you full for a longer period. You know, oats contains a lot of fiber and egg is protein, so everything combined together will keep you full for the day. Okay,